Hi everyone, today in this video I'll be talking about one of the most amazing and unforgettable experiences in Hong Kong, which is a ride on the Peak Tram to go to the Victoria Peak to enjoy the 360-degree panoramic view of Hong Kong. As you can see in the video, the Peak Tram has arrived and we'll be getting in to enjoy the ride in the Peak Tram. Now we have entered the Peak Tram and I'll be sharing with you the history of Peak Tram. It was first launched in 1888 and it is not only one of the oldest funicular railways in the world but also one of Hong Kong's most beloved attractions. The tram travels from Garden Road in central Hong Kong to the top of Victoria Peak, the highest point on Hong Kong Island, standing at 552 meters, which is 1811 feet above sea level. The entire ride of the Peak Tram from the central Hong Kong to the Victoria Peak is for about 7 minutes, and in which we are able to see the skyline of Hong Kong as the tram climbs up the steep. Some sections reaching a gradient of 48% while the tram is climbing. The ride is very smooth and keeps on becoming more scenic as we climb up. This is an electric tram and is fully modernized, featuring sleek new carriages and larger panoramic windows to enjoy the view. Now I would like to share few tips for visiting. Buy the tickets online in advance. We had already booked in advance to avoid the larger crowds for booking of tickets. You should mostly go in the late hours of the evening to enjoy both the view in the daytime as well as the glittering views during the night time. And sit on the right hand side of the tram when going up to enjoy all the views. Now we have arrived at the Victoria Peak to enjoy the panoramic view of the entire Hong Kong. Victoria Peak is the highest point on Hong Kong Island and one of the most iconic and visited destinations of the city. The best spot to soak in this breathtaking view is from the Sky Terrace 428 located at the top of the futuristic Peak Tower. You have to buy the tickets to go there and then you can enjoy the 360-degree panoramic view of the Hong Kong skyline. Stick around at the Victoria Peak for the sunset and night views. And also, are you aware? Hong Kong has the world's highest number of skyscrapers. So enjoy the view.